This is a really weird video clip. The Pennsylvania Republican governor is Tom Corbett, and he was being asked about the poor jobs numbers that Pennsylvania is struggling with. And he came up with something that is absolutely brilliant. And it's really connected to something very specific, which we'll outline. He says, you know, it's actually not that there's no jobs available. It's that employers aren't able to find employees, potential employees, that'll pass the drug screening. The unemployed are all on drugs. Listen to what he had to say.
Now that are adapting. I believe Mansfield in the state system of higher education is adapting to get more certificate-type programs. So there is a need. The other area is there are many employers that say, you know, we're looking for people, but we can't find anybody that has passed the drug test. And that's a concern for me.
There it is. We're trying to hire. We're feverishly trying to hire. The economy's so good. The unemployment rate would be so much lower if we could just get a single qualified applicant who wasn't high on something within days of having to do that drug test. This is pathetic, Natan. And also, this really leads to something else. The root of this is connected to unemployed people are on drugs, which is connected to we shouldn't have welfare because anybody who doesn't have a job, it's because of reasons that are fault of their own, period. That's really what it's connected to.
Right. And this is ridiculous on the face of it. But if you think about it, it's like if it's true that all of these people are taking drugs, well, wouldn't that be a result of the economic conditions as opposed to the cause of it? And if so, who are we going to blame for the drug taking? Tom Corbett. In other words, if he's the governor, shouldn't he receive the blame for both things?
Well, if we look at a recent Quinnipiac University Polling Institute poll, which came out just 2 days ago, Corbett is trailing potential Democratic opponents by at least 9 points. So that he may be starting to lay nonsense groundwork for some of what's going on.